When I'm leading the wagon train, there's a lot of responsibility, and you would think it would be all fun and games, but it's pretty serious. There's a lot of safety issues and people involved and temperaments involved, and you have to guide all that through to a final end that everybody's happy with.
You know, it's something I've always wanted to do. When I was a kid, I grew up on Westerns. Wagon train was my favorite. So I figured I better do it this year, the 150-year anniversary, because I might miss the next 50 years by a couple of days. I'm 66.
Well, we're doing it because we were asked to help celebrate the 150th anniversary of statehood for the state of Oregon. And we're doing it because we're Oregonians and we love it. And my life growing up here in Oregon, I've run horses and cattle and drove the horses and stuff. And my dad grew up driving horses. And so because of that and the love for it, I do it just because I enjoy it. And once in a while we get hot, tired, dirty, and frustrated.
Let's put it this way. They had it a lot rougher than what we got it because we followed somebody else's trail. It's a great, good feeling though.